ruggedized, notebook manufacturer. Actually, we are targeting only B2B type of industry customers. So not for the B2C type of business. So that's the difference. And actually, our division's mission is to provide value-added IT products which help in contributing to increasing customers' productivity. That's our division's mission. So B2B type of customer, how we can contribute to improve their productivity. That's our objective. And actually, how we've been doing is we've been listening to what corporate customer want. And then, we've been developing our products, listening to the customer's voice. So yes, 1996, we started to have the rugged, PC, and then we've been doing business for more than 16 years. And then, as a result, we've been keeping #1 position for more than 10 years. And then why, how, we can do, we can listen to customers, how we can realize, what customer want is basically we do everything in-house. So maybe that most of the notebook suppliers, manufacturers, they have big names, big brands, but the actual supplier or manufacturer are different, But in our case, we do in-house. Then we can keep our quality and we can customize and we can develop based on the customer's voice. So this is our Toughbok business model. And then once we start the business with our customers, we keep our relationship continuously. So, okay, some of the customers, they started to use since 1996. Now maybe third or fourth generation of Toughbok users. So that's how we can make win-win relationship with the customers. That's our business model. And then when it comes to the product itself, so our product is designed for the outdoor use, so not for the office usage. So whoever bring the IT products or computers outside, that's our target customers. And then to support outdoor usage, we have some key features like ruggedness. So you can drop PC from this height, but still working. And then water and dust resistant. Okay, some of the models support military specification for the ruggedization. Shock, vibration, water, dust, and the IP65, that's also water and dust, resistant, And then, screen itself is sunlight readable, and we have a good technology for the wireless communication and long battery life. Whatever we have, this is designed for the outdoor usage. That's Toughbok. And then, having good quality and durability and reliability. We support our customers who use our computers, as a tool. And the other aspect I need to share with you is that our customers, their usage is really mission critical. So I just give you some of the examples of our customers. Yeah, like government, defense, or law enforcement, police safety, public safeties, so ambulance. They're all mission critical. And then even for the, let's say private sectors like utility, teleco, they use, they have the field workers, but they use it as a tool, to proceed, their work. If their device doesn't work, then they are losing the opportunity. They cannot, proceed their job, They cannot, have the better productivity, So thanks to thanks to our products, our quality, as I said, reliability and durability. So we want to support their mission critical activities. And not only that, at the end of the day, we believe that they can reduce the TCO, total cost of ownership. So yeah, that's how we want to support our customers. This is somehow background of Toughbok, business and products. And then industry. Actually, it is most welcome. So yeah, by that way, I think we can expand more, let's say, outdoor usage application as a result. And then, yeah, actually, there are some competitors. They try to sell their products.
Can you name some of the competitors?
competitor's name. Okay, so as maybe you may not know, but like Itronics, General Dynamics, Itronics, and GTAC, and even Dell, they have the rugged PC, rugged notebook PCs. Yeah, there are some competitors like Motion Technologies. They have a tablet device, So there are some, and then if they want to really coming into India market, most welcome, and we can expand market together. And then we are confident on our products, on our business model. Then I think as long same as other market like Europe or States, we want to keep the number one position in this market as well.
Okay,
this rugged PC, notebook PC, actually starting from the United States, especially for the defense or police,
right.
demand, we be meeting, and after that, more like a teleco or utility demand, in the States or Europe, and then after that, automotive, in the garage, that way, we've been increasing, expanding our business. Anyway, what we found is that somehow those advanced countries, their business or market is more like matured,
Right.
But then we want to expand further. Then where the market expanding, in like Southeast Asia or India, or could be mainland China or Latin America, Russia. There are more like more spaces, rooms, where we can expect further growth. So then India is one of the key market for us to expand the business. Yeah, same as defense, government, and law enforcement.
Okay.
So they are our key, industries.
What is your good?
Basically, we have our own, staff, sales guys.
Okay.
We want to, approach, to key customers, by ourselves.
Okay.
But at that time, anyway, we are just a supplier of the hardwares, As from the customer's point of view, they need a total solution.
Right.
So then we need some sort of, let's say partnership, with the other hardware suppliers or software suppliers,
Right.
or let's say wireless solution suppliers, Then, we can, make the customer happy. That's how we want to do that. Basically, our approach is a direct,
Direct.
But for the fulfillment,
Yeah.
we need a partner, of course, Yeah. So we are okay, for the products, and this is our, let's say core competence, But distributor, like dealers, our channel partners, they have a more like, they are good for the logistic or financing or more like fulfillment. So we can work as a as a team together, actually, to support the customer. We do need a channel partner in any case, Okay, customer side, they already, so okay, they have some account already, from where they buy. Then okay, they can buy any other stuff, from one, let's say partner, channel to channel, Then okay, we are approaching to end user directly, but in most of the cases, end user requests us to go through this channel, for example.
Okay.
They don't want account, or they don't want to open many more accounts actually. So in this case, we have to work with the channel partners, by yourself for India, together with channel partners as well. So both ways you do that. We can expand this, market itself, for the rugged device, So okay, even for the standard laptop PC, if they have the customer face a lot of failure, with a standard laptop PC, then they want to let's say improve the situation. Then instead of using the standard laptop, they can use our rugged device, for example. Then okay, this is not initially not our market, but it can be our market, our customers. And even as of today, let's say people are using just pen and paper, but they want to improve their productivity. So maybe data sources say that there's no demand, but actually they can be our potential, demand actually. So how we can educate, our people, our customers, then how we can expand the market, that's our challenge. We have been having a presence, especially in the, defense sectors, Then we've been having a repeat business, So having repeat business means, it's accepted.
Right.
Of course, maybe there must be some things we have to improve, but repeat business really, proves that what we are doing is correct. But actually, our challenge is not only for the defense, we want to be more business for the corporate, public, business. That's our focus right now, and we are trying to expand that, sectors. One specific model which is designed for the healthcare industry. So this is easy to clean, and there's no keyboard, and it's a tablet type of device, very easy to clean. So such a device we want to sell it to the healthcare industry. And the other way around is we have customers like a mobile nurse. I don't know how much we have in India, but we have it in North America or Europe or Japan. So they are the mobile nurse people. So they need some sort of tough device. Then I think our product is helping them for their activities.
Healthcare, especially as Mizobata said, because now big hospitals are deploying HIS and PACS application. So where we have a device which is specially meant for healthcare, and it has integrated barcode reader, RFID, it can be sanitized fully, it is resistant to WD-40 disinfectants. So that can be used in those hospitals. Now what we are seeing is this HIS application, PAC application, big hospitals in metros are the first ones who are implementing that application. Because only if you have that application, then you will actually start using these devices. Otherwise, you still are following the paper, pencil, like doctor writing the prescription, and so that's what actually normally all hospitals are using. But bigger hospitals in metros have started using this HIS application, and they are even giving this wristband to some patients which has a barcode reader. So that is actually happening in more class A cities now. So class B and C cities I think it will still take 1 or 2 years more.
Many hospitals are coming up in those cities also.
Yes, but initially because they still they want to see that big hospitals in top metros, once they adopt this technology, then they will actually copy.
Business. I'm afraid I'm not sharing that information. But still, our business is really depending on those, North America, Europe, and Japan. So really, we want to expand more business in like India or Russia or Latin America.
I am
still a small portion, I should say.
Asking this question in terms of Asia Pacific. What part of India?
Even Asia Pac, what I can say is basically Oceania, like Australia, New Zealand, they are like more like westernized place, and then our penetration is quite okay. But still, Southeast Asia or India, our presence is still small, and we really want to expand.
So what?
So the market itself is expanding more than 20%, annual growth. Of course, we want to have much, higher, growth, than the market itself. Actually, that's what I want to say. I want to share with you. So market itself is 120%
So the
growth.
growth would be up to your expectations.
Hmm?
The growth, future growth in India in a couple of years will be up to your expectations. When you expected this?
Actually, our direction is our plan. Okay, our target is we were not, let's say interested in the general market, status, market share, But what we want is we want to own the market. Okay, if the demand, of the defense, in India, there is a demand, then we really want to have a majority of the share, 50%, 60% or 70%. We say that we own the market.
Right.
Then we set a target here or there, there. Then we really want to own the market. That's our objective. So we're not interested in the overall, market share type of stuff. Once we penetrate into this industry, we want to contribute to that industry. Then we want to own the market. That's our actually objective. Say something actually. It's a huge potential here, we believe, but
Not possible to say.
I don't want to put any cap or something. Yeah, I think huge demand. We're expecting for the future.